Here we have a Kohler Command Pro 25. It's a 25 horsepower engine here. This engine is being sold as is. We're missing the propane regulator, so we're borrowing off of this other unit here, but we can't really quite get it running all the way like it should be with the original regulator. So anyway, how we're gonna run it here and show you what it does here. Okay, that is the Kohler Command Pro 25.